Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become a ubiquitous part of modern life, their presence felt in military operations, commercial enterprises, and recreational activities alike. The rise of drones is a fascinating story of technological innovation, strategic necessity, and creative exploration. This video delves into the rich history of drones, tracing their evolution from early military experiments to their current diverse applications, and explores the intricate process of how they are made. The concept of unmanned aerial vehicles dates back over a century. The earliest recorded use of a drone was in 1849, when the Austrians attacked Venice using unmanned balloons filled with explosives. These primitive drones were essentially hot air balloons guided by the wind and used to carry bombs. While the technology was rudimentary and the results were mixed, it marked the beginning of a new era in aerial warfare. During World War I, the development of drones took a significant leap forward. The Kettering Bug, an early cruise missile, was designed by Charles Kettering and the U.S. Army Signal Corps. It was essentially an unmanned biplane equipped with a gyroscope for stability and an onboard guidance system. The Kettering Bug could fly a preset distance before dropping its payload, making it one of the first true UAVs. Although it never saw combat, the Kettering Bug laid the groundwork for future drone development. The interwar period saw further advancements in drone technology. In the 1930s, the British developed the Queen Bee, a radio-controlled target drone used for anti-aircraft gunnery practice. The term drone itself is said to have originated from this aircraft, as it was named after the queen bee in a beehive, and its male drones, which follow the queen. The Queen Bee's success demonstrated the potential of remote-controlled aircraft, and similar projects were soon underway in other countries. World War II was a catalyst for rapid advancements in drone technology. The United States, Germany, and Japan all invested heavily in the development of UAVs for reconnaissance and combat roles. The U.S. Navy developed the TDR-1, an early assault drone that was used in combat in the Pacific Theater. Equipped with television cameras and remote control systems, the TDR-1 could be guided to its target by an operator on a nearby aircraft. Although it had limited success, the TDR-1 represented a significant step forward in drone technology. In Germany, the V-1 flying bomb, also known as the Buzz bomb, became one of the most infamous UAVs of the war. Launched from ground-based ramps, the V-1 was a precursor to the modern cruise missile. It had a simple pulse jet engine and was guided by a gyroscopic autopilot system. Thousands of V-1s were launched against Britain, causing significant damage and terrorizing the civilian population. The V-1's success underscored the potential of unmanned weapons and spurred further research into drone technology. Post-World War II saw continued advancements in drone technology, driven by the Cold War's demands for intelligence and reconnaissance. The United States developed a series of increasingly sophisticated UAVs, such as the Firebee, which could be launched from the ground or from aircraft and used for reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and target practice. The Firebee's versatility and reliability made it a staple of U.S. military operations for decades. The Vietnam War marked a turning point in the use of drones for reconnaissance purposes. The Ryan Model 147, a variant of the Firebee, was extensively used for aerial surveillance over North Vietnam. Equipped with cameras and sensors, these drones could fly at high altitudes and capture detailed images of enemy positions and movements. The intelligence gathered by the Model 147 drones proved invaluable to U.S. military planners, and their success highlighted the growing importance of UAVs in modern warfare. During the same period, Israel emerged as a pioneer in drone technology. Faced with the constant threat of conflict with its neighbors, Israel invested heavily in the development of UAVs for reconnaissance and surveillance. The Tadiran Mastiff, introduced in the early 1970s, was one of the first Israeli drones to see extensive use. The Mastiff's success in gathering intelligence during the Yom Kippur War demonstrated the tactical advantages of UAVs and solidified Israel's reputation as a leader in drone technology. The 1980s and 1990s saw significant advancements in drone technology, driven by the development of new materials, sensors, and guidance systems. The advent of GPS technology revolutionized UAV navigation, allowing for precise control and autonomous flight. The U.S. military continued to lead the way, with the development of iconic drones such as the Predator and the Global Hawk. The Predator, introduced in the mid-1990s, was a game-changer for military operations. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and later, Hellfire missiles, the Predator could conduct long-duration surveillance missions and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. The Predator's use in the Balkans, Afghanistan, and Iraq showcased its versatility and effectiveness, and it quickly became a symbol of modern warfare. The Global Hawk, another key UAV developed during this period, was designed for high-altitude, long-endurance reconnaissance missions. With its ability to fly at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet and stay aloft for over 30 hours, the Global Hawk provided unparalleled intelligence-gathering capabilities. Its success in various conflicts cemented the role of drones as essential tools for military operations. As drone technology advanced, so did its applications beyond the military. The early 2000s saw the rise of commercial and recreational drones driven by the availability of affordable, high-performance components. Companies like DJI, founded in 2006, played a crucial role in popularizing drones for civilian use. DJI's Phantom series, introduced in 2013, revolutionized the market with its user-friendly design, integrated camera systems, and advanced flight capabilities. The rise of civilian drones opened up a myriad of new applications. In agriculture, drones are used for crop monitoring, irrigation management, and precision farming. In construction, they provide aerial surveys, site inspections, and progress tracking. In filmmaking and photography, drones offer unique perspectives and dynamic shots that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive. Creating a drone is a complex process that involves multiple disciplines, including aerodynamics, materials science, electronics, and software engineering. The process begins with the design phase, where engineers use computer-aided design (CAD) software to create detailed models of the drone. The design must balance various factors such as weight, aerodynamics, power efficiency, and payload capacity. Once the design is finalized, the manufacturing process begins. The frame of the drone is typically made from lightweight materials such as carbon fiber or aluminum, which provide the necessary strength and rigidity while keeping the overall weight low. The components are often produced using advanced manufacturing techniques such as CNC machining, 3D printing, and composite layup. The next step is the assembly of the drone's various subsystems, including the propulsion system, control system, and payload. The propulsion system usually consists of electric motors and propellers, which provide the thrust needed for flight. The control system includes the flight controller, GPS module, and various sensors, which work together to stabilize the drone and enable precise navigation. The payload can vary widely depending on the intended use of the drone, ranging from cameras and sensors to delivery mechanisms and specialized equipment. The integration of the drone's electronic components is a critical step that requires careful attention to detail. The flight controller, often considered the brain of the drone, runs sophisticated algorithms that control the drone's movements and maintain stability. It receives input from various sensors, such as accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetometers, and uses this data to make real-time adjustments to the motors. The GPS module provides positioning information, allowing the drone to navigate autonomously and follow predefined flight paths. Once the assembly is complete, the drone undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure that it meets performance and safety standards. These tests include flight tests, where the drone is flown in various conditions to evaluate its stability, control, and endurance. Any issues identified during testing are addressed through iterative design improvements and refinements. The future of drones is bright, with ongoing advancements promising to unlock even more capabilities and applications. In the commercial sector, drones are set to transform industries such as logistics, transportation, and healthcare. Companies like Amazon and Google are investing heavily in drone delivery systems, aiming to provide fast and efficient delivery services. As drone technology continues to evolve, regulatory frameworks will play a crucial role in ensuring safe and responsible operations. Governments and international organizations are working to develop standards and regulations that balance the benefits of drones with the need to protect privacy, security, and airspace safety. The history of drones is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. From their early beginnings as rudimentary unmanned balloons to the sophisticated UAVs of today, drones have come a long way. Their impact on military operations, commercial enterprises, and everyday life is profound, and their potential for the future is limitless. The process of making drones is a complex and multidisciplinary endeavor, involving cutting-edge technologies and meticulous craftsmanship. As drones become more advanced and their applications more diverse, the demand for skilled engineers, designers, and technicians will continue to grow. Looking ahead, the rise of drones promises to reshape the world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Whether it's enhancing national security, improving public services, or revolutionizing industries, drones are poised to play a central role in the future of technology and society. As we navigate this exciting frontier, it is essential to embrace the opportunities and challenges that come with it, ensuring that the benefits of drones are harnessed for the greater good. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.